Hello children, welcome back to our class. I hope all of you have started your project works. As I told you, you should submit your project on October 10. Remember, you are submitting your geography copy. While submitting, all of you should complete your notes of previous chapters so that I can check your chapter wise notes too. Okay children, after a short interval, we are going to continue our lessons. What we are learning so far is about industry. We complete the introduction about industry. Today, we are going to talk about the factors affecting the location of industries. Broadly speaking, the infrastructure of an industry depends on the following, that are geographical features such as raw materials, power, water, labor, transport, market, site and climate, and non-geographical features such as capital, government policies, bank and credit facilities, and an efficient organization. So these two features, geographical and non-geographical features, these two features mainly affect the location of industries. So we can learn more about the first one, geographical features: raw materials, power supply, water, labor, transport, market, site and climate. First one, raw materials. All industries that require heavy and bulky raw material are generally set up near the sources of raw material in order to save heavy transportation cost. All industries needs their raw materials based on raw material. We know raw materials are the resources supplied to industries for subsequent manufacturing processes. For their manufacturing process, the main ingredient, that is raw material, example agricultural product, minerals, timber, so that are raw materials. So that industry will generally set up near the sources of raw materials in order to save heavy transportation cost. Where that raw material is available, bulky, that abundant, that places only the industry will establish. So this is one of the most important factor which affect the location of industry, raw material. Second one, power supply. For an industry, power is very critical factor. Cheap, abundant and uninterrupted power supply is an essential need for any modern industry using large machines. Which industry is using large machines, they need cheap, abundant power supply. Power supply is the most important requirement for a modern industry. Both powers they are using, thermal and hydroelectric power. So this is also one of the important factor for affecting that the location of industries. Third factor, water supply. Water is vital for proper functioning of some industries like a chemical industry, food processing industry and textile. These three industries mainly they use their main raw material as water. So hence they will locate, these chemical industries, food processing industries, textile industries will locate near where they are getting abundant water supply like river or canal. They will set up there only. So the third factor, that is water supply. Fourth one, transportation or transport. That also necessary to bring the heavy raw material and supply of finished products to its destination. We know that one. An important factor for setting up industries is the availability of efficient means of transportation. As why they are using transportation, movement of raw material to the factory and finished product to the markets. That's why they are using transportation. Where the availability of cheap transportation, there also more industries will locate. And next factor, that is the survey of market and demand. The survey of market and demand is necessary while setting up an industry. The entire process of manufacturing is useless until the finished product reaches its market. For example, woolens have a better market scope in the north, which places experiences extreme cold. So according to the where that product woolen textile industries will locate, means near most of the woolen textiles industries will locate near the northern part of India only, where they need these woolen dresses and all. So they will when they are think to set up their industry, they will choose these places only where the demand of the product and the market is available. So the entire process of manufacturing, that if it is not, the entire process of manufacturing is useless until the finished product reaches its market. Next one, labor. That also another important factor. It is very important requirement for an industry. Mostly small scale industries tend to set up near the areas where abundant or labor supply is available. Where all the type of, not small scale, large scale industries, small scale industries, all type of industries will tend to set up near the areas where abundant labor supply. Abundant means the labor supply will be skilled labor. They need skilled laborers are available. Where the skilled laborers are available, there only they will try to set up. And next one is climate. Climate affects the location of certain industries such as cotton textile industry. This needs warm and humid climate because the thread manufactured tend to break its climate. Because some type of industries like thread manufacturing industries, that means the cotton textile industries need that where humid climate is possible, that type of that places only they will choose for set up their industries. The climate is also another factor which affect the location of some industries like cotton industries and all. So these are the geographical factors, and next one is non-geographical features which affect the location of industries, that are capital, government policies, bank and credit facilities, and an efficient organization. First one, capital. Capital is the important main thing. It is one of the most important factors which while setting up an industries, as most of the industries are capital intensive and require huge investment. Most of all industries need their capital industries. Maybe the huge investment they need or small investment, but they need the capital. So capital plays a vital role. From where there are capital available to banks and all, there only they will try to set up their industries. So that another factor which affect the location of an industry, capital. Another one is efficient enterprising organization and management. For an industry, a strong management is an essential factor. It is an essential for running an industry, as it tackles means solve labor problems and avoid strikes and lockouts. It is more important for large scale industries where more labor supplies there, more or abundant labor supplies there, that industries looks forward for an efficient organization, an efficient enterprising organization and management. Another one is technical know-how is also necessary, especially in the highly specialized industries. They need technically skilled laborers, technical know-how also they need. Another one is Mostly major cities have good banking credit facilities which are necessary for setting up large scale industries. Large scale industries, maybe some industrialists will not have their own huge amount of investment, huge amount of money with their hands. So they need some credit facilities. That credit facilities should be given by the banks or through the government policies. So that also an important factor, which government will give or which bank will give more credit facilities, that the places they will, that nearby the places they will choose for their establishment, for their industry. And next factor is government. Vital role. Government also plays an important role in planning and location of industries besides solving problems of public pollution and other disparities and other disparity. Government also sets up industrial zones wherein supplies land, water, and electricity. So government policies also should be help to the industrialist to set up for their smooth running. If the government will not give more support to the industrialist, they can't run their industries more forward. So that also and another factor for their own establishment. So these are the main factors which affect the location of an industry. You have to read this portion from your text today itself and mark the main points and one words. That's all for today. Thank you all.